Evening there folks, how's it going everybody? Welcome back to another episode of James Larby's Better Cooking. Hope you're well. Hope 2018 is treating you well so far. Got a little recipe I've already knocked up for you. But basically what I'm doing today is showing you how you can use up all your spare stuff from Christmas, from the New Year, from the festive season. Whether it's all the vegetables, your sausages, bacon, ham, turkey. We've always got stuff in our fridges and in our cupboards left over from Christmas and New Year that's got to go. Don't throw it away. There's always many delicious recipes you can make up with what you've got left. Basically what we've got left, we've got loads of vegetables from the cupboard. Lots of carrots, parsnips, celery, onion, cabbage, onions, lots of things. Got some sausages from the pigs in blankets. So what I'm going to do for you today, well what I already have done, sorry, is I've knocked up a nice hearty, wintry, comforting, warming sausage and vegetable casserole with chickpeas. And I'll show you what we've got over here. Got it gently simmering now. What I've done is basically cut my sausages up, got the pan really hot, browned off my sausages in the rapeseed oil, and obviously with any meat, remember with any meat, obviously more colour on the meat, more flavour. So we've browned off those sausages nicely. Then when you've done that, turn the heat down gently, throw in your chopped onions and garlic on a low heat. You don't want to burn those onions and garlic. Obviously, you know, onions and garlic that are burnt and black taste bitter and not very nice at all. You don't want that in your casserole. You just want to keep on a low heat, slowly wilt them down and so they break down and the natural sweetness of the onion and the garlic come through. Then go in with your carrots, celery, parsnips, cabbage, brown all off the sausages, onions, garlic, add a nice knob of butter. Then start adding your ale. You can add any ale of your choice. You can add any kind of stout ale, white wine if you prefer. Reduce that down on a high heat then to obviously burn off the alcohol, so the natural sweetness of the alcohol comes through, obviously with the alcohol burnt off. And then go in with some good quality Knorr chicken stock pot. Fill your tray right up. Season your casserole with salt and pepper. Be very careful though, obviously with your salt, because obviously the Knorr chicken stock pot, it's, in my opinion, any Knorr stock pot is the best stock. After restaurant homemade stock, you don't get anything as good as Knorr stock pots. They are fantastic and that's the best thing you're going to get out there. Unless you want to make your homemade chicken stock, that's fantastic. But we're using Knorr chicken stock pots today. Fill your tray right up with them. Go in a few herbs and spices. Like I said, be careful with your salt and pepper. Check taste first for salt. Go in with some chili. I've put a little hint of chili in here. Some nutmeg. I've put some Chinese spice here. I've got some star anise in there, as you can see. Just add one star anise just for the little sort of aniseed background. I've added a little bit of tarragon in there as well. There's some rosemary sprigs in there. They're obviously going to come out at the end. There's some bay leaves in there. Some chopped tomatoes. You know, there's no real recipe. So this is what I've done. You know, you don't have to follow that specific recipe guideline. Add in what you want. You know, if you like more sausages, add more in. If you don't like sausages and you want to be even healthier, add in some turkey or some chicken. It's your choice. But, you know, apart from the sausages, this is quite a healthy dish. It's very wintry and hearty and warm and comforting. Perfect for a cold winter's day. It's freezing outside. Now what I'm going to do now is just let this gently simmer on a very low heat for 3 hours. Let it all soften, let it all gently stew down, and then yeah, in a couple of hours time we'll give it a go, and it's perfect to have on, you know, some crusty brown bread and some butter. Give this recipe a bash, guys. It is delicious, and as you can see, you know, we haven't got long to go. Only got about an hour left on it. So that's it, folks. Very short and sweet, but you know, do give it a go. Like I said, there's no recipe guideline to this. You can add more or less of what you like or don't like. Be even healthier, add some turkey or some chicken, however you like. There's always many different recipes that you can make out of using up all your Christmas, New Year festive ingredients. So I'll leave it there for you, folks. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe by pressing the little red button at the bottom of this screen. And bye for now.